Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sherem Diecast. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for notification. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you for the support. I love all the views that I'm receiving in all my videos. Thank you very much. Keep helping me to build, to grow my channel. And today's video is about Mini GT. And it's gonna be a special video because I will show you all my Mini GT Chevrolet Corvette Stingray collection that I have here, and I will open some of the castings that I still having in my package, but I want to open it and share it with you. And the first one that I will show you is this beautiful in black. This is number 153. This is Mini GT. This is one of the castings from Mini GT that I love to collect, the Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. And I want to use my handle. Here is the beautiful box of the beautiful Corvette Stingray in black. Here is the car. Pretty cool. Corvette logo here. Nice detail. Check the side mirror over there. The base. And this is in black. I will put it behind my Star Wars, on the front of my Star Wars spaceship. And also I want to show you other variations that I opened it previously and I show it in other videos, starting with this one. Here is the boss. That one is in lime yellow, and here is the other one. Pretty cool. This is number 195, just in case you want to go online and want to buy it. Is number 195 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray. See the rims, all the nice details. Side mirror, the base. Pretty cool. See the engine there. The details in the back. Put it over there. The other one that I will show you is that one in orange. This is number 227. Put it here. And here is the beautiful car in orange. Same details. Real tire. Pretty cool. We have the number 150 in red, torch red. Pretty cool as well. And here is the beautiful red car. This is the red one. Let me put it a little bit to the back. And now I will show you this one that is in white. This one is number 677. And it's the same casting, but no, that one is the Chevrolet Corvette Z06. And let me open it out of camera, that one. Right, here is the box. The number is here, 677. Here, and here is the beautiful car in white. This one is the Z06. Let me see if there is some difference between one to another. Yeah, I think it's the decoration here. Yes, totally different, but pretty cool. All four here are Stingray. This is the first Z06. That is not bad. It's pretty cool. All those mini GT casting have a lot of details. So beautiful. Okay, let me put it here. I love the black stripes here in the top. Nice detail there. Okay, the next one that I will show you is another Corvette Stingray, but that one is in blue. This one is 251, beautiful blue. I will open it out of camera. Here is the box number with the number. Number is 251. Beautiful blue. And the bus here. Here is the car. The Stingray. Nice rims. The base. Corvette logo. Nice details in the front. Mini GT. Really cool. Corvette logo in the back as well. Let me put it here. This is the Fit Stingray. And now I will show you guys another Z06, this time in lime green or lime yellow, I don't know. Check the picture over there. This one is the number 441, and I will open this one out of camera. Here is the box. Number 441. I believe those two have the same color. But before, let me show you the Z06, and then I will compare it. Corvette Z06. And let me compare with this one. Yeah, it's the same color. Stingray in the back. Z06 here. Yeah, not too much difference, but there is some difference. Let me put it here. Let me put that one here. Z06. And the next one is another Z06. Chevrolet Corvette Z06, but this one is in red. Beautiful. And I will open this one out of camera as well. Here is the beautiful box. Number 477 in red. Here is the casting. I love the red line on the rims. Check it out. Light red line. Red line over there. Beautiful in red. Check the grill. Look at that. Pretty cool. Okay, that was the last one for this video. I hope you like, guys, and this Corvette Mini GT. I'm really excited to have it in my collection. I love this brand. Yeah, I love the details in the car. Those Mini GT cars look so real. That's what I like about 164 casting, that to have too many details as possible. Yeah, and that one looks very nice for me. Perfect for picture, for videos. That's what I love to do with my collection, creating videos like this one. I hope you guys to like my video. Thank you very much for the support, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.